How to open Linux terminal? To open Linux terminal, we will use alt+t command. And to see how current date of your region, we will have to use date command. It will show the current date of your region, and for how long the device has been running without reboot. To see that, we will use uptime command. Uptime, it will show the uptime of your device. Then we can see how much space is free in your Linux. To see, you will use df command. It will show the file system, 1K blocks, and used disk and available disk. Then how can we see the free RAM in Linux? I mean, how many RAM it has been currently used and how much RAM is free. To see it, we will use free command. Free. It will show the total RAM, used RAM, and free RAM and shared RAM. And then we can see how can we close the Linux. To close the Linux, we will use the exit command. It will close.